if they're in contact with that, they receive lymph from major part of the breast and upper half of the anterior wall of the trunk. ठीक है? फिर आ जाते हैं हमारे पास posterior scapular group. They lie along the subscapular vessels, which would make sense, right? Because scapular group है, they receive lymph from the posterior wall of the upper half of the trunk and also the axillary tail of the breast. Okay, so we've discussed two anterior pectoral, we've just discussed posterior scapular, the lateral and the central group. Lateral group lies along the axillary vein का जो lower part, axillary vein अभी हमने discuss की थी, from the upper limb. That's just mainly what you have to remember. ठीक है? But ये है कि breast के लिए further जैसा we've discussed पहले कि which part of the breast is lateral group receive lymph from, you will have to know that. First, remember central group. Central group lies in the upper axilla. It receives lymph from the anterior, posterior, and lateral group of the nodes. Central group है, so just think of it as कि सारी जगहों से lymph receive कर रहा है. It drains into the apical group. So basically, anterior, posterior, and lateral group of nodes से receive करेगा, but it will end up draining into the apical group. Now we're going to discuss what the apical group is. The apical group, it lies along the axillary vessel upper part and deep to the clavipectoral fascia. It receives lymph from the central group, the upper part of the breast, and pectoralis major muscle दिखाई हुई है इधर उन्हें दिखाई हुई है. कौन-कौन से ग्रुप एंटीरियर आपको नजर आ रहे हैं, पोस्टीरियर, लैट, ये बिल्कुल जो सेंटर ऑफ द जिला में सेंट्रल, एंड देन एपिकल ग्रुप जो एक्सिलरी वेसल के अपर पार्ट, ठीक है. एंड
मैम आपकी वॉइस बहुत डिस्टॉर्टेड है.
यस मैम.
मैम ये लास्ट वाला नहीं समझ आया, जहाँ से आपने एपिकल और सेंट्रल ग्रुप किया है ना, वहां से डिस्टॉर्शन बहुत ज्यादा है. स्क्रीन भी पॉज हो गई है.
मैम का माइक म्यूट हो गया.
म्यूट है.
Hello. Good. Can you hear me now?
मैम डिस्टॉर्शन है.
अच्छा, अब ये दोबारा मैं रिपीट कर देती हूँ. सेंट्रल ग्रुप का नहीं समझ आया था ना, कि बेसिकली मैंने बोला था कि जो सेंट्रल ग्रुप है ना, एक तो इट लाइज इन द अपर एक्सिला. सेंट्रल ग्रुप लिम्फ रिसीव करेगा फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ द नोड्स, एंटीरियर से भी, पोस्टीरियर एंड लैटरल से भी, बट इट वुड ड्रेन इनटू द, ठीक है. बट जो एपिकल ग्रुप है ना, उसका क्या है कि वी ऑलरेडी नो कि सेंट्रल ग्रुप से लिम्फ रिसीव करता है, but it also receive lymph from the upper part of the breast and from the thumb. ठीक है, तो यही मैंने इसके बारे में बोला था अभी.
ओके मैम.
अच्छा, अब इसकी हमने अप्लाइड एनाटॉमी करते हैं. ठीक है, अप्लाइड एनाटॉमी में मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा और बता दिया था एक मीडियल क्यूबिटल वेन के बारे में. मीडियल क्यूबिटल वेन, ये देखो दोबारा एक वी शेप, वाई शेप टाइप ने मीडियल क्यूबिटल वेन दिखाया हुआ आपको. Either it's an ideal site for IV access for one withdrawal of blood भी इधर से निकाल सकते हो. You can inject drugs and also it's a good site for cardiac catheterization. Why? ठीक है, एक तो हमने पहले पढ़ लिया था कि जो perforator vein है, it basically keeps it stable, right? It fixes the vein so that the vein doesn't slip away during piercing. So your third point was something that we've already discussed. The perforating veins piercing the bicipital epineuritis fixes the vein and prevent from slip away during piercing. One of the most important thing. Two other things, bicipital epineuritis is from the brachial artery, which is very important because like I told you, veins usually accompany the arteries. अगर आप vein को pierce कर रहे हो, there's a high chance that you might nick and pierce the artery, which can cause profuse bleeding. In this case, why is it ideal? Because bicipital epineurisis lies between the brachial vein and the brachial artery, so it would prevent the brachial artery from being pierced, right? And then third thing, it is not accompanied by any of the cutaneous nerve, so you are not likely to have any nerve injury by piercing this medial cubital vein. So it's less likely for any type of accident to occur or mistake to occur when you're piercing the medial cubital vein. Okay? And this is very important because they do ask you this in Viva on why it's important. Baki, the other 4 clinicals, you guys just need to know definitions of what they are. Thrombophlebitis is inflammation of the vein. Okay? Itis means inflammation. Thrombophlebitis is vein. Venography क्या होती है? It's basically contrast X-ray. Angiography of the upper limb vein. Lymphangitis क्या होगी? Inflammation of the lymph vessels. Lymphangitis क्या होगी? Inflammation of the lymph node, right? And it's basically a large node. Is painful and firm in consistency. Firm meaning like hard होगा, fixed होगा, right? So those are the clinicals. Now last topic of this upper limb is the dermatomes of the upper limb. Dermatomes आपको most likely prof या written में they come for you to draw, right? So आप लोगों ने anteriors का view दिखाना होता है like this and how it's distributed. Posterior view भी दिखाना होता है. KLM से you girls have to do. But what is a dermatome? Dermatome is an area of the skin that is mainly supplied by a single spinal nerve. Okay, that's the definition. And upper limb के dermatomes कौन से होंगे? From the C5 to T1. अब इन्हें front and back को divide किया हुआ है कि कौन-कौन से क्या-क्या हैं. So basically आप लोगों का ये task है in your sketch copies. You girls draw the dermatomes of the upper limb, front as well as the back side. ठीक है? So that's one thing that you girls have to do. Pop से पहले जब भी you guys have time, so you girls draw this. ठीक है? So you're gonna draw the front and the back. So this is basically showing everything. C5, C6, T1, C2, C3, C4. Like it's showing you the distribution in the front as well as the back. बाकी yes.
मैम सेंटिनल नोड का बता दें.
किसका?
सेंटिनल नोड.
कौन सा?
सेनिटल नोड्स का कह रही है मैम वो. सेनिटल नोड्स.
Central node, central group of
मैम सेनिटल. मैम सेनिटल नोड्स जो कैंसर
सेंटिनल.
Senatal group of lymph nodes के बारे में बात कर रहे हो आप?
जी मैम.
So basically they drain cancer. The senatal lymph nodes they drain cancer. अगर कोई भी जो organs infected हो ना, जो भी like cancer reach certain organs. So what they would do, the senatal lymph nodes, they're a group of lymph nodes that drain a certain type of cancer. ठीक है? So senatal lymph nodes are those lymph nodes. For example, अगर armpit है, right, of one side of the breast. So the side of the breast which has the cancer, it would drain into the senatal group of lymph nodes. So basically, you'll drain into the side of the breast that the lymph is supplying that has the cancer. Okay? So whenever you get a biopsy, you would get a biopsy from those lymph nodes which are draining the part of the breast which has the cancer. ठीक है?
एग्जांपल दे दे मैम इसकी.
वही breast